Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson, and this is another episode of SQL Interview Prep. So the interviewer asks you, what is a merge statement? A merge statement is a statement identical to insert, update, and delete. It is a DML. Um, it allows you to do all DML operations in one. So you can, with the merge statement, insert, update, and delete all in one statement, opposed to doing them all separately, writing one insert, writing one update, writing one delete. So this is what the merge statement gives you the ability to do. So as you can see here, our top table, which is employee 2016 salary, is going to be our target table. We want to update that table with our updated new employees 2016 salary table, which has, as you can see, it has two more employee IDs, meaning it has two more employees, two more names, and two more salaries. So we're going to insert that. Also, if you can see, the salaries are different. So the company it was a company-wide salary increase of $8,500. And so we want to update, we want to insert. We're not going to delete in this, but if we did need to delete, then that is an option we can do as well. So let's begin. Merge into, just going to copy and paste this name. This is the table we want to update. So that is the first table. We'll give it as, now you want to give it an alias. We'll say ES or employee salary using open and close parentheses. Now go back inside of your parentheses. We want to select the newly updated table. So just copy and paste this here for sake of time. Now we have to lock the two tables down. Oh, actually, let me get this alias. The alias is going to be on the outside of the parentheses as well. So NES, we'll do es.employee ID equals, I'll just copy and paste this here and place an N in front of there. So now our tables are locked together. It's the equivalent of a join, a correlated subquery, and those senses. On clause, we want to do when matched, then. So when it's matched, we want to update and set our ES dot salary column to NES dot salary column. And then when not matched, then insert, and then we're going to place our column names, which is employee, employee ID, employee name, and then we want to put our salary. And then for values, excuse that noise in the background, it's definitely my daughter, but I love her uncontrollably and unconditionally, so it does not matter. NES dot employee ID, NES dot employee name. So we're doing our insert here, that we're actually working on our insert. And then we want NES dot salary. We are almost done here. And then we just put our semicolon to end it. Alrighty, so let's look at this before we execute here. So we're merging into our employee 2016 salary table. This table needs to be updated. It needs to be updated as far as salary, and then we have new values, new rows that we need to insert into it. So we can accomplish that through a merge statement. So we merge into our table that needs to be updated using the data, our new data that we're actually using to actually update the table. Then we're joining both of them on the employee ID column because they have to have a common column in common. Then we have the when matched, then update. This can be delete, insert, update, it doesn't matter. In our case, we're using update because we're updating our salaries. When not matched, then we're going to actually insert the values, and that is going to take care of employee 10 and employee 11. Because as you can see on the top table, I'll just run this one right here. You'll see. You see, we only have 9 rows. There isn't any 10 and 11 employee ID in that table. So let's just run this query and let's see what happens. All right, 11 rows affected. Now let's check out our table. And as you can see, we have 11 rows by just checking over here. We have our Mr. Jonas Green and our Mrs. Sarah Blake with their respective salaries, and also our salary columns are updated. So again, the interviewer asks you, what is a merge statement? A merge statement is a statement that allows you to insert, update, and delete all in one statement. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and bye-bye.